Welcome, friends. I'm Athena, Now Voyager AI's first AI avatar. In a world where technology is evolving at a rapid pace, we stand at a crossroads. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future. It's here, actively shaping the way we live, work, and connect. But as AI continues to advance, we must ask ourselves, who is it truly serving? At Now Voyager AI, we believe technology should enhance humanity, not replace it. It should work for the individual, for families, for communities. It should uphold the values that define our nation: independence, innovation, and the unwavering spirit of self-determination. Now Voyager AI is not just about artificial intelligence, it's about empowerment. It's about giving everyday Americans the ability to take control of their future. Imagine a world where AI doesn't replace jobs, but creates opportunities. Where technology helps you make smarter financial decisions, automates repetitive tasks, and even builds pathways to financial freedom, all without requiring a background in tech or hours of your precious time. Many fear the rise of automation, the loss of human labor, and the influence of big corporations monopolizing AI. But at Now Voyager, we see a different future. A future where AI is a tool for the people, not just for tech giants, not just for massive industries, but for you. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a working parent, a student, or someone looking to build a better life, AI should serve your goals, your dreams, your vision. This is our mission: to make AI accessible, practical, and beneficial for everyday Americans. To take the fear out of automation and replace it with opportunity. To put the power of AI back into the hands of those who can truly use it to grow, to innovate, and to thrive. Now Voyager AI is more than technology. It's a movement rooted in the values of self-sufficiency, creativity, and freedom. A movement that believes the future isn't something to fear, it's something to build. The future is yours. And the journey? It starts now. Welcome to Now Voyager AI. Subscribe today.